I think we covered a lot here. I mean, the main thing to keep in mind, when it comes to food prices, actually a couple things, not that they come to mind. Um, when it comes to the current situation, but also communicating, I think it's really important, when we're talking about food prices, to look at the distributional impacts. So we all are experiencing higher prices, but they impact each and every one of us very differently. Low income households, for example, are bearing the brunt of these price increases. That's because they spend a significantly higher share of their income on food. And these are really the households that are having to make changes, adjustments to be able to keep food on the table. And we have to look at the impacts of, support through like the SNAP program and changes that are happening there that are impacting the subset of the population. So, in terms of communicating, this is where it becomes important to, not just sort of look at averages, but look at, what's happening across the income spectrum, what's happening, in terms of how differences in consumers and consumer segments. I think that's something that I think should be getting a little bit more attention is that, we're experiencing the economy very differently depending on our own circumstances. And I think the data can say a lot about and help inform a lot of those experiences and what we can do about them.